solid walled base. So the pipe bursting, you have those pieces of pipe welded together. With this, it's all one solid pipe, so there's no welding. So it's going to be from our hole to the main, it'll be one solid piece. So they'll have a new line from their cast iron all the way to the city.
So it's a two-part epoxy resin. One part is the base, and then there's a hardener. And then you mix that together, and you get your epoxy that turns into plastic.